Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay on Netflix. First, open the Netflix app on your phone, tablet or computer and make sure you are logged in to the profile you want to change because autoplay settings are different for each profile. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the three dots, tap on account and scroll down to the profile and parent control section. Then tap on the profile name you want to edit. Next select the playback setting. Here you will see two options: autoplay next episode in a series, auto preview while playing or browsing on all devices. To turn autoplay off, uncheck one of the both box depending on what you don't want. Once done, scroll down and tap save. Netflix will now stop autoplay for the profile. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.